Hello students, welcome once again to the biology classroom. Let us continue our chapter Fundamental Unit of Life with the very important topic, that is cell organelles. You all are familiar with these cell organelles. These are the small membrane bound structures are present in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cell. In other words, we can say that these are the small organs of a cell which perform different functions of the cell. Membrane around these cell organelles keep its content separate from the content of other organelles, and let us discuss why these cell organelles are important. Each and every cell organelle present in the cell performs certain type of functions which are very important for the proper functioning of a cell, right? So some cell organelles do the work of synthesis of proteins and carbohydrates, some synthesize lipid, some do the secretions of enzymes, hormones and mucus, some help in the digestion of different substances that are present in the cell, some provide protection to the cell, and some helps in the production of energy. So all these things are very important for the proper functioning of the cell. Let us see which function is performed by which cell organelle, and we will continue with the endoplasmic reticulum. So what this endoplasmic reticulum is? It is a reticulum or network of tiny tubules or sheet-like structures which are bounded by membrane, and it is found scattered in the cytoplasm, and its membrane form a continuous sheet enclosed in a fluid-filled space which is called as ER lumen, and it communicates with both plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane. It is very much clear from here that it's communicate with the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane, right? So it is subdivided into two parts which are called as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the one of the structure of the nucleus, and this is endoplasmic reticulum in connection with it, right? So rough endoplasmic reticulum, this is very much clear from here that it is a structure having rough appearance. Endoplasmic reticulum have a rough appearance because of the presence of ribosomes on it. When we see it under microscope, we will see the presence of these ribosome structures in it, and these ribosomes are the site of the protein synthesis, and these are present in all the active cells. And the synthesized protein is then transported via endoplasmic reticulum to different parts of the cells based upon this cell's requirement, right? So what is this smooth endoplasmic reticulum? So it is clearly visible from here. There is a smooth structures that are present here, and this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Its surface is smooth because it doesn't contain ribosomes and they don't help in the synthesis of proteins. Instead, they are synthesize fats and lipids. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in cells which are engaged in the secretion, synthesis and metabolism of fats, right? So these are the two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is the rough endoplasmic reticulum having the ribosomes, and this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum which help in the secretion of fats and lipids, right? So this is also given here, that how this rough endoplasmic look like, and how the ribosomes are attached on the surface of this rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, what are the functions that this endoplasmic reticulum perform? Let us see. These endoplasmic reticulums, both smooth and rough, perform a different variety of function. Like they provide the network of endoplasmic reticulum will provide the mechanical support to the cytoplasm, and it serves as a channel for the transport of materials between the different parts of the cytoplasm, or between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. And this rough endoplasmic reticulum, because of the presence of ribosomes, will help in the synthesis of the proteins, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum will synthesize lipids. And both these, if you remember, proteins and lipids are the constituents of the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is made up of it. So these secretions like lipids and proteins help in the synthesis of the cellular membrane, and this process is called as membrane biogenesis. So please remember it that the endoplasmic reticulum has a very important role in the biogenesis of the membranes. In addition to that, smooth endoplasmic reticulum have numerous enzymes which catalyze various biochemical reactions, and they are very important. These smooth endoplasmic reticulums are very important in the detoxification of many drugs and toxic substances in our liver cells, right? So these all are the functions that are being performed by this endoplasmic reticulum, and it is a very important cell organelle which is help in the biogenesis of the membrane, mechanical support, and various biochemical reactions. So these are the short notes for regarding this chapter, this topic, and you take a screenshot of it, and if you want to write it on your notebook, you can write it, and it will be really helpful for you. So thank you.